going to come forwards on my chair again, and you might want to do the same. You can still keep back against the back of the chair if you prefer. We're going to check how our feet are placed. Hands are going to be resting on our legs. Okay. So as we breathe in now, we're going to lift the arms up. And as you breathe out, they're going to come down the sides and back down. Now, everyone's arms, of course, lift a different amount. So your arms might not lift all the way up. They might lift part way and they can come down. For some people, it might be easier or better to clasp your hands and lift them up. And maybe you come back down from the front. So find what works for you. Breathing out, arms come down. And the main thing we're doing here, apart from, of course, some shoulder movement and some movement of the arms, is we're linking our breath with movement. Actually, it should be the other way around. We're linking our movement with our breath. The breath comes first. We're going to do 3 more. As you reach up as much as you can, still sitting up tall. Watch that you don't kind of start to slump down. As you breathe out, arms come down, reach out to the sides, making yourself big. And 2 more, breathing in all the way up, reaching up, breathing out, arms come back down. Last one, and if it feels okay, we're going to hold the arms up there. Keep the shoulders down away from the ears so they're not hunching up. And even though the arms are lifted, can you press down into your feet? So you can feel your feet on the floor, but you're also reaching your fingertips up towards the ceiling and still breathing. No holding of the breath. As you breathe out, coming back down. Wonderful. And maybe you want to just give those arms a bit of a move and a shake. Okay. So one more movement for the arms, and we're going to bring our arms into this kind of cactus type position. So my elbows are about level with my shoulders. Equally, they could be a little bit lower. My elbows are bent and my hands are palms facing forwards, fingers spread wide. If this is too much for the shoulders, or in this position, if you find that you're slumping down with the effort of trying to lift the arms up, then just have the arms a little bit lower. Okay, so remember, it's about what makes us feel more whole, so we can feel the whole of the body. And if we're trying too hard in one part of the body, we tend to lose attention in all the other parts. So find the position that works for you. Shoulders are down low. As you breathe out, we're going to bring the arms forwards, and maybe the hands touch, maybe even the elbows touch, and coming back out. A couple more of those. Breathing out, bring the arms forwards, and coming back out. And again. And back out. Last time, breathing out, bring the arms forward. We're going to hold them there this time. See if you can squeeze the elbows or the forearms, the hands together some more. Lift the elbows up if they can. Can you take your hands away from your face? Still sitting up tall. Not too much strain or effort through other parts of the body, and still breathing a smooth breath. My elbows are slowly moving away from each other. Oof. And lower the arms down and just give those shoulders a shrug, because that's quite hard work for the shoulders, isn't it? In fact, let's do that a couple of times. So as you breathe in, I'm going to draw the shoulders up. as you breathe out, you're going to let go of effort and let the shoulders drop down. We'll do that a couple of times. So breathing in, drawing the shoulders up, using the breath out to let go and the shoulders drop back down. Last one like that. Good. Okay.